This is the question of AC circuit. In this question, what they have said, a resistor R, we are having R is connected in with an iron coil, right? This is your tube, correct? So choke coil means combination of R and L. This is a separate coil like this. The circuit draws nothing else there, so we have a simple voltage source over there. Current they have given is how much? 5 ampere. Voltage they have given is 240 volt, and frequency they have mentioned 50 hertz, right? The voltage across R, that is R, and the coil R, the coil is VRL. Can we say that it is the combination of RL? So can we say that it's VRL, right? So VR is equal to 120 volt they have mentioned. VRL is equal to 200 volt they have mentioned, right? Calculate the resistance, reactance and impedance of the coil. We don't know the value of resistance. First of all, if you remember, I told you the voltage triangle, right? Here it would be R, VL or V. It is V. So formula for the VR is I into R. Formula for VL is I into XL. And formula for V I into XC, right? So we'll use this formula over here, that is VR is equal to I multiplied by R. VR is how much? Tell me. Okay. Current is how much in the circuit? 5. Can we get the resistance? 120 by 5, right? Clear? Now we'll get resistance. Next we need to calculate reactance, right? Tell me, how can we get reactance? Reactance means XL, correct? So we L is equal to IL in, no, VL is not what they have given, the voltage across the coil, and coil is the combination of R and L, right? So we know the value of VRL. VRL is how much? I into ZRL. ZRL means it is for the coil. As I told you, whenever we'll have the combination of R and L, then in that case we'll use ZRL. Correct? So I we already know, VRL we already know, that is how much they have given, 200 volt, and ZRL is root of R square plus XL square. Right? We don't know ZRL, we can write down ZRL as it is. So 200 by 5 would be equal to ZRL. So that would be 40. Correct? Any doubt up to here? So now it's 40, but we don't know the value of ZRL. ZRL is what? ZRL is equal to root of R square plus XL. Correct? ZRL we got it as 40, but we don't know R and we don't know XL of the coil. Correct? So we should need to calculate by another method. Um, RL with IV ZRL. Okay, we can use again the voltage triangle and the voltage Pythagoras theorem in this, right? So Pythagoras theorem, R we know, voltage we know. Can we use combined here in this and VL?